for this problem, we're going to solve an exponential equation. Here we have the equation 8 minus 2 e to the negative x equals 4. To solve the exponential equation, we first like to isolate the exponential term. We're going to do that by subtracting 8 from both sides. So we'll have negative 2 e to the negative x, and here we'll have 4 minus 8, which is negative 4. Next, we want to just get this exponential part by itself, so we need to divide both sides by negative 2. To do that, we'll have e to the negative x equals a positive 2. Now we have this exponential form. We're going to convert this into a logarithmic form using our relationship that y equals log base a of x, that's equivalent to a to the y equals x. So we can go from an exponential form to a log form or back and forth. So we rewrite this, we'll get the natural log of 2 is equal to negative x, and we have this logarithmic form. We need to solve for x, so we just need to multiply both sides by negative 1. So x is equal to negative natural log of 2. Now this is the exact number, but if we'd like to put this in our calculator and approximate that, we'd see that x is approximately negative 0.693. Now that we've solved this equation algebraically, let's move to our Smartboard interactive whiteboard and solve it using a graphing utility. We're going to solve the equation 8 minus 2 e to the negative x equals 4. Since we have expressions on both sides of the equation, we're going to enter the left side as y1 and the right side as y2. Go to our graphing calculator, hit our y equal to button. In y1, we're going to enter that left side, 8 minus 2 e to the negative x, close parentheses. Let's enter, and in y2 we enter the right side of our equation, which was the constant 4. Hit enter. We're going to graph that using our standard viewing window, which is minus 10 to 10 in both directions. See the graph of y1, we have the graph of y2. In y1 we had an exponential, which is increasing, and we have a constant in y2, so we know they're not going to cross at any other points except the one we see here. So we'll go to our calc menu, second in calc, find the intersection point using option number 5. We're first asked to select the first curve. We're on y1, so we just hit enter. We need the second curve. We're now on y2, so we just hit enter. And now we need our guess. And we're just going to scroll slightly to the left, so we're close to that intersection point. Hit enter. And we see that our intersection point is roughly negative 0.693 for x, and we get our y value of 4. So using our graphing utility, solving this equation yields an x value of negative 0.693, so our solution set is negative 0.693.